2023
Volkswagen Taos.
With less than 78,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features: lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, tinted windows, power driver seat. Experience the difference. Test drive your dream car today.